Hey guys, welcome back to Meal Prep Monday. Today I am making barbecue chicken and sweet potatoes. You're not going to want to miss it. Today I am going to share with you one of my meal prep recipes. Now these recipes are simple, easy, and a perfect way to get you to eat a little bit healthier. Now before I get started, don't forget to push the subscribe button and push that little bell so you'll get all of our notifications on YouTube. Now if you want more meal prep ideas, go to that little dot right there and it will take you to 6 other recipes that I've been making for my Meal Prep Mondays. Alright, so today I'm making barbecue chicken and sweet potatoes. So simple, so easy, and really good for you. If you want the nutrition facts, I'll put them down below in the description for you. Alright guys, let's go make this barbecue chicken and sweet potatoes.
Alright, before you start, preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Then you're going to cover your cookie sheet with aluminum foil so cleanup will be so easy. Now for my sweet potatoes, I had 3 sweet potatoes that I peeled and chopped up into bite-sized pieces. Next I have my olive oil. I'm going to put about 3 tablespoons of olive oil all over my sweet potatoes. Next, I'm going to sprinkle on my garlic salt for taste. If you don't like garlic salt, go ahead and use just normal salt and pepper. Either one works fine. Then I'm going to take my spatula and just mix it the best that I can. Now you try not to mess up the foil or put holes in the foil because that kind of defeats the purpose of an easy cleanup. So do it very gently and just try and cover each individual potato with oil. Next, I'm going to get some chicken. I'm going to use 2 big chicken breasts here. And I'm just going to place them right on the side of the sweet potatoes. Now I'm going to put just a little bit of garlic salt on top of my chicken just because I love garlic salt, but you don't have to do this step. Next, you're going to get your favorite barbecue sauce. Mine is Sweet Baby Ray's because I just love how it tastes. Then I'm going to take either a fork or a spoon and just spread the barbecue sauce out so it's even over the chicken. When you're done with your barbecue sauce, you're going to take the whole pan and put it in the oven for 20 minutes. Then, when it beeps, mix your sweet potatoes around and put it back into the oven for another 20 minutes. So you're going to cook it for a total of 40 minutes. Now, while I'm waiting for that to cook, I like to set up my individual bowls so I'll be all ready to make my meal prep. Once it's done cooking, be sure to cut open your chicken, make sure it's cooked all the way through. If it is and the juices are clear, you're good to go. So cut your chicken in half and then you're going to place a half of a chicken in each individual bowl. Then I like to separate my sweet potatoes into fourths and it makes it a lot easier. So I can just put a fourth of the sweet potatoes in each bowl also. Now be sure instead of doing it right out of the oven, make sure you give it a little bit of time to cool off so you don't burn your fingers as you're setting up your meal prep. Now I like to add a little barbecue sauce on the side. The only bad thing about this is I'm going to heat up my barbecue sauce. I don't mind because I like hot barbecue sauce, but if you don't like that, I would suggest putting it in a little cup so you could take it out so you can heat up your meal and then put your barbecue sauce back in. There you have it, meal prep for the week. I hope you enjoyed this Meal Prep Monday. And don't forget, if you haven't done so, subscribe to our channel. And of course, push that little bell so you can get all of our notifications on YouTube. Alright guys, see you later.